added something to them. Consider whether this intellect of ours can learn any craft from a master. He believes that the source of all sciences and arts and crafts are heaven. They have no origin in earth. So he admires science. He believes in science. But when a scientist says that he has the true science, which means for Maulana the science to the truth, he says, no, you don't have the knowledge. Even if your knowledge is valuable, even if it is heavenly, it is not the true knowledge. So I think this is a misunderstanding by those who say that Maulana's Masnavi is a book against sciences and scientists.
After all, when we speak about Maulana and Masnavi and the Sufi tradition, we know that all of them speak that in the final or in the realization, the salik, the spiritual traveler, must reach to the stage of fana, the annihilation, and after that he will stay with eternal presence with the eternal beloved. So if it's like this, how can we speak about reason or intellect or aql when we know that in the eternal oneness and the eternal primordial state of Baqa, we couldn't speak about subject and object.
We had the same discussion in the morning, no?
Yes, but now you are speaking about that intellect. When Maulana speaks about intellect, he many times speaks about full intellect and about
yes, partial.
But in my opinion, I saw that Maulana preferred to speak about intellect as not the final stage of realization. For Maulana, the love and the beloved, God is the real agent, the real. Intellect is only the instrument.
But when he refers, yes,
we couldn't see here any role of intellect. We don't see any place of intellect in this. In this spiritual experience.
No. You see, I said to you,
because intellect has no independent. How can I say? He's not independent existence. There is only one existent. It is the eternal primordial oneness.
Yes, but you see, I have a question. Why Maulana uses 500 times the word of intellect more than ishq, more than love? Why he does use it? No, just tell me, what is the purpose? If you read the Sawaneh by Sheikh Ahmad Ghazali, as I said earlier, it is a book of love. He doesn't refer any time to love. He just referred to love and nothing about intellect. But why Maulana uses numerously the term intellect in his Masnavi?
I think he uses intellect to help us to be independent, after all, from the intellect. Because
but what about the intellect of intellect?
In a divine madness, we don't need. In the experience of divine madness, we don't need the intellect.
Okay.
We know the Divan-e-Shams, in the Divan-e-Shams, how many times he uses the intellect?